Welcome to a walkthrough video from the Secretariat of the Antarctic Treaty on the use of the Electronic Information Exchange System, or the EIES. This video will show you how to use the location tool, and it's for EIES administrators who can load as well as publish information, and EIES operators, users who can load information to assigned sections. You'll find the location tool in many forms in the EIES, since location is part of the requirements for many sections, but we'll just look at two examples. The first is in the section Non-Governmental Vessel-Based Operations. And you'll see the location field here, and what we'll do is just start typing the name of the site we want to fill in, and you'll usually see a drop-down menu appear there. And this will show you all of the entries with that location name already loaded in the system by parties. So what I'll do is just choose one of the locations that matches my coordinates. For example, the first one, just choose it. And you'll see here the coordinates are automatically filled in, and you're all set. Another possibility is to start typing the site name and unclick this default setting, show names from all parties. Maybe I want to see if my party has entered this location. So I'll just unclick that, and I don't see anything in the list here. It's empty, so it was good of me to just choose one from the list. It's always preferable to choose from the list if you find the location with your coordinates to avoid duplications of records. And finally, maybe I have a site name that is not in the system yet. For example, let's say we have a site called Hershey Island, and it hasn't been entered in the database yet. So we also have the option to add new location here at the bottom. I'm just going to click that. And when you enter this new location, you'll just be filling in the coordinates. You have the option to fill in degrees, minutes, and seconds, or decimal degrees. And once you start typing the coordinates, you'll see they're converted to decimal degrees. And you will also see that it's by default set as west, but you can choose east as well. And we're just going to click add at the end. Okay, so let's look at another example. Now we're in science activities in previous year. This is part of the annual report. And this section allows you to add multiple locations. So it's the same concept. We're just going to start typing in a location. And click it in the list, and then click add new location. And you'll see it shows up here under the field. And you can keep adding new locations, and they'll just appear in the list. And if you want to remove them, you can just click remove from list. And at the top right here, you will always see in every category and every form these help and instruction documents. And if you click on that, it will open a PDF document where you'll be able to learn more about where the requirements come from and more information about the form and the different fields in the form. And please don't hesitate to contact the Secretariat with any questions you might have.